Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix this Instagram song is currently unavailable. This might occur due to two reasons. There might be any bug in your Instagram, or second one is that particular song is not available in your current region. So for that, what you have to do, you have to go to the setting part, search for language and region, click on language, and you can see over here language English India. You can change it to any another language, or you can just add some language from here, and that song might be available to your Instagram. Another thing which you can do, go back, search for Instagram in your settings, click on it, and what you have to do, you have to uninstall it and again reinstall it. In this way you can fix it. So that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you. If you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box.